Hi guys, my name is Brandon Pickup. I'm an independent Herbalife distributor and health coach, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a few different ways that you can actually boost the nutrition of your Herbalife Shake. Now, the Herbalife Shake is already jam-packed with 21 vitamins and minerals, lots of protein, fiber, antioxidants. It's basically, by itself, a really great meal replacement. It's probably the best meal that you'll have all day. But we got a couple of different products that we can add into this shake to kind of take the nutrition to the next level. So the first category of products I want to talk to you about is protein. So we have a couple of protein options. The first one is personalized protein powder. Now what's great about this is it's non-flavored. So you can actually add this into all kinds of different things. But with your shake, it's not going to change the flavor of that, which is pretty cool. The shake by itself has 9 grams of protein. This per serving is going to have an additional 5, so that's going to take your shake all the way up to 14 grams of protein by adding in a serving of the personalized protein powder. The second option is the protein drink mix. Now this is where I live. I love this stuff. So this does come in flavors, and the flavors are amazing, and they really kind of help enhance the flavor of your shake even. So it comes in chocolate, vanilla, and my favorite, peanut cookie. If you haven't had it, you got to try it. It's amazing. But this actually has an additional 15 grams of protein in it. So adding that into your shake now takes your shake up to 24 grams of protein, which is solid. That is a lot of protein, which is great. So it helps keep you full, helps feed your muscles, and thereby helps boost your metabolism, which is cool. Okay, the second category of products that I want to talk about for boosters is going to be digestion. So we got a couple different products here. First one is Active Fiber Complex. Now this is really great because it comes in 2 flavors. There's apple and non-flavored. Definitely recommend the non-flavored so it doesn't throw off the flavor of your shake. The shake itself comes with 5 grams of fiber. This is going to add in an additional 5, so it takes you up to 10 grams of fiber. Fiber is going to keep you full for longer, and it's also going to help with digestion. The second product is hasn't been around very long. I've actually never talked about it on a video before, but this is Herbalife Nutrition Simply Probiotic. Now every scoop of this is going to give you 1 billion cultures of Ganadin BC30 probiotic, which is a ton. And what's great is they're basically meant to survive the acidic environment of your stomach. So 70% of these will actually get where they need to go, which is really great. This is a non-GM product, and it's also non-flavored, so it's not going to change the flavor of your shake. Okay, and the third category that I want to talk about is fat reduction. Okay, so this is Herbalife Prolessa Duo. I have made a video about this before, so if you want a little bit more in-depth explanation about what that is, you can go check that out on my channel. But Prolessa Duo basically does 2 things. It helps control hunger and helps get rid of fat. This stuff is a great booster to add to your shake if your goal is to really burn fat. Okay guys, that does wrap up my list of nutrition boosters for your Herbalife Formula 1 shake. Now if you are interested in purchasing any of these products or getting started on a program of your own, go ahead and visit our website at pickupnutrition.goherbalife.com. Be really happy to help you out there. You can see all of our contact information as well, so if you have questions or anything like that, or even if you're interested in working for the company, please reach out to us. We can help you get started with that as well. As always, thanks for watching, stay healthy, and we'll see you soon.